Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a special portrait of one of my best friends, and I decided to record the process because I'm using a colored mechanical pencil lead from Staedtler, and I wanted to see how well you can get a contrast using it and how good it is for sketching. So I topped off this drawing with a gold background using the Kuretake watercolors, and yeah, it's really just a draw with me kind of video, and I hope you enjoy it. I did this portrait as a gift for my friend, so I highly recommend these colored mechanical pencil leads because they're great for sketching. You can easily erase them and they don't show up as much as regular pencils, and it's really fun to work in another color. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this kind of video. Let me know in the comment section what you would like to see in the future for further videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I put out videos weekly related to illustration, to art supplies, and all sorts of stuff like that. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye!